Hello everyone, this is Udya here from my English diary. Today I'm here to teach you present continuous tense, which is a basic tense, right? I have already taught you a summary for the 12 tenses. According to the 12 tenses, it has two types, basic and advanced. Then today I'm gonna teach you one of basic tense, which is present continuous tense. Before moving to our lesson today, I would like to introduce my lesson plan today, which means what are the things that you are going to learn in this video. Okay, first you will learn what is present continuous tense. Then structure of present continuous tense, how to form a sentence. Yeah. So next you will learn how to make a gerund verb, spelling of the gerund verb. Then contractions, how to use contractions. Learn some common errors we do when we use present continuous tense. Then finally we will face summary of our lesson. Okay, let's get going with our lesson. First, what is present continuous tense? Actually, this is really beautiful tense. We could express the things that happening now. I'm teaching you. Yeah, I'm teaching present continuous tense for you. You are learning. That's happening now. The something that's happening now, we could use. Yeah, the something that happening now, we could express by using present continuous tense. I'm teaching you present continuous tense. You are learning. The boy is playing cricket. The boy is playing cricket. It's happening now. Here is second situation. The things that happening around now. Actually, it's might not happening now in this moment. It's happening around now. Examples. I'm doing a research work these days. We are doing a project. Projects as well as research, they are not permanent things. Permanent things we could express by using simple present tense. I have already uploaded the video regarding simple present tense. Yeah. So the permanent things? No. The temporary words. The temporary words that we could express by using present continuous tense. Then here is third situation, which is trend. Right? The trends happening these days we could express by using present continuous tense. Example, yeah, girls are wearing frocks these days. Right? Trends are not permanent things. Trends, they change. Yeah, they change day by day. Right? They change time to time. Then we could express trends by using present continuous tense. Okay, here is last situation that we could use to express present continuous tense, which is future actions. The something that will happen next. You know already the future actions we could express by using future tense. However, we could express future actions by using present continuous tense. Tell me, is this correct, right? I'm going to school. Is it correct? I mean, it is correct. It is a present continuous tense. But is it has any future action? No. If you wanna express future actions by using present continuous tense, definitely you should have to add future term at the end of the sentence. I'm going to school tomorrow. I'm going to school next day. I'm going to school next month, next year, whatever. Future terms. Then it will be future action. Got the point? Okay, now we will go through with our structure of the present continuous tense. Okay, example, I am going to school. I is subject, am is helping verb, going is gerund verb. To school? Yeah, it is an object. It is an object. So, subject plus helping verb plus gerund. What is gerund verb? Yeah, gerund verb mean verb plus ing. Gerund plus object. This is the way we need to structure our present continuous sentence. Now I'm gonna teach you how to express present continuous tense, positive situation, negative situation, as well as question. Positive. Positive mean yes. Okay. What is this? I am eating. I am eating rice. We are eating rice. You are eating rice. They are eating rice. Have you seen that? I have used are with plural ones. Plural means more than one. Then is singular ones, which means only one. He is eating rice. She is eating rice. Yeah, it is eating rice. This is the way that we need to express present continuous tense in the positive situation. Then let's look at negative situation. In here we need to add only not before the gerund verb. Before the gerund verb, after the helping verb, which means middle of the helping verb and gerund verb. Example, I am not eating rice. You are not eating rice. We are not eating rice. They are not eating rice. Okay, these things. He is not eating rice. She is not eating rice. It is not eating rice. Okay, finally, I'm going to teach you how to structure a question by using present continuous tense. In here, you need to take the helping verb in front of the sentence. Others you could use as it is. Okay? Am I eating rice? Are you eating rice? Are we eating rice? Are they eating rice? So singular. Is she eating rice? Is he eating rice? Is it eating rice? Okay, good. These are the situations that we could express. These are the ways that we could express present continuous tense, positive situation, negative situation, as well as question situation. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to make a gerund verb. For making gerund verb, it has some rules. Here is first rule. What is rule number 1? If the verb ends with letter E, we need to drop E and put ing. If the verb ends with E, we need to drop E and put ing. Right? W-R-I-T-E, right? Yeah, its end letter is E, drop E and put ing. Writing, make, making. Here is rule number 2. If the verb ends with IE, you need to drop IE and put Y plus ing. You need to put Y plus ing. Examples, L-I-E, lie. Its end letters are IE. So you need to drop IE and put Y plus ing. Lie, lying. Tie, T-I-E, drop I-E, put Y plus ing, tying. Okay, got the point? Right, here is our third rule. It's kind of funny. I love it. If the verb has CVC, which means consonant, right? CVC, C stands for consonant, V stands for vowel, again C stands for consonant. Vowels mean A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are other letters in the alphabet. Okay, Right. Example, sit. S-I-T, sit. T is consonant, I is vowel, S is consonant, it has CVC. Then what we need to do? Double the last letter, which means in here last letter is T. Double the T and plus ing, sitting, S-I-T, not T, double T-I-N-G, sitting. Okay, put, P-U-T, C-V-C, double the last letter, putting. Okay, right? So then if the verb is not related with above 3 rules, you could put ing as normal. Normally you could use ing. There is no any rules for that. Example, C-O-O-K, cook. It end letter is K. So there is no any rule for that. Then we could use ing at the end of the verb, cooking. Okay, these are the rules that we could use for making gerund verbs. Now I am going to teach you contractions. Contractions. So tell me, what are the contractions? Actually, contractions are really beautiful when we are speaking. If you could be able to use contraction for our speaking, it might be really beautiful. Okay, contractions are shortened words, right? Some kind of shortened words, not verbs. W-O-R-D, shortened words, right? Example like this, I am, I. But keep this in your mind, don't use contractions formal situation, formal writing or formal conversation. You need to use contractions informal writing or informal conversations. Sorry, informal conversations. Okay, I am, I'm. You are, your. Say it after me. We are, we're. You are, your. They are, there. He is, his. She is, she's. It is, its. Now let's learn the negative situation. How to contract the negative situations. I am not, I'm not. Am not, you could express as I ain't, but don't use them writing or formal situation. Okay? We are not, we aren't. You are not, you aren't. They are not, they aren't. Singular ones. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. Yeah? He is not, he isn't. Okay, I suppose that you have got the contractions, how to use contractions. Then now I am going to teach you what are the common errors that we do when we use present continuous tense. Okay, now tell me, what is error with this sentence? I am go to school. What is error? I am go to school. Yeah, you are correct. I am going to school. It should have gerund, going. You got it. So next, we doing homework. We doing homework. What is the mistake in here? Yeah, you're correct. We are doing homework. We are doing homework. Right? Are, helping verb. You know already, when it comes to present continuous tense, it must have helping verbs, am is are, and gerund verb. Helping verbs plus gerund verb. Okay, now tell me, what is error with this sentence? She are reading a book. She are reading a book. Is there any mistake? It has subject, helping verb, gerund verb, and object. Is there any mistake? Yeah, absolutely. It is. What is that? Yeah. She is singular one. Singular object, subject. Then you need to use is. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. Keep it in your mind. Then final one. I am sitting under the tree. I am sitting under the tree. What is the error with this one? What is the error? I am sitting under the tree. Subject here, am, helping verb here. With the I we use helping verb. Sitting, gerund verb here, under the tree. Oh, yeah, correct. Sitting, it has spelling mistake. Sitting. When we write sitting, we need to double the last letter because of the CVC rule. Here has SITING, you need to double the last letter. I suppose that these are the common errors we do when we use present continuous tense. Okay, now here has our summary. I am reading a book. Positive. I am not reading a book. Negative. Am I reading a book? It is a question. Okay, I am delighted to be here because we have done our present continuous tense lesson. Then I guess that you have gained new knowledge and that you have gained knowledge regarding present continuous tense from my video. So I will be back with the newest lesson. Until then, good luck with your English. Bye bye.